Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are making a video within a video. I'm about halfway through the dishwasher does not drain. And normally I think it's clean the debris, free flowing, and you're all done. But I think our knockout plug is still in there, which is crazy because my parents have been living here for 10 years and I think they just never removed it during installation. They never used the dishwasher. So I guess this hasn't happened until we ran a dishwasher because we like using the dishwasher. So let's do some research on how to get that out. Okay, I really like this video by All You Can Do DIY. It looks like we just need a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and it looks like all we do is hit it. I guess that's why they call it knockout. I'm gonna make sure to turn off the garbage disposal first so it doesn't turn on accident. I'm really gonna try to retrieve that plug too. Let's go try it. That was a little bit of a struggle. I had to hit it a lot of times because I think it's an awkward position, but we did end up getting it. I was a little bit nervous because I was thinking about taking the entire thing off. So initially I tried this and it didn't fit well and it was a little awkward. I went with the little one. So I think this flathead's too small to get enough pressure to break it loose. I ended up using these two. This one, for some reason, didn't work. I think it was too big and the medium-sized one was perfect. It teared a little bit, so I was able to reach in from the top and rip the last bit of plastic off. I'm gonna finish the other video. For now, this one, 388, done.